Teacher executed outside of school entrance in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The community of Sandybank in St. Elizabeth is left in shock after the brazen taking out of a 28-year-old teacher at the entrance of the Sandybank Basic School on Tuesday morning. The teacher has since been identified as Chanel Simit of Sandybank District. Reports from the police are that at about 7:55 a.m., Simit was walking towards the school entrance when two men armed with guns approached her and opened fire. The police were summoned and she was taken to the Black River Hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. According to reports, the woman was said to be a past student of the Hampton High School. The gunman who allegedly been outside the school waiting on her escaped on a motorcycle. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Emma.